Welcome back to our series on quantum fractal alloys. Today, we're focusing on three categories that push the boundaries of self-repair, quantum precision, and biocompatibility. First up, quantum tunable alloys. These specialized materials are engineered for precise quantum properties like maintaining entanglement stability or supporting coherent energy transfer. Their main applications include advanced quantum devices and entanglement-based communication systems. Next, we have self-healing alloys. Imagine materials that can restore themselves after damage. These alloys autonomously repair structural integrity, making them invaluable for aerospace applications and safety-critical components that are difficult to access. Finally, biocompatible alloys. These materials interact seamlessly with biological systems without causing adverse reactions, making them perfect for medical implants, prosthetics, and biosensors. They're key to innovations in medical technology that enhance human life. Keep following as we continue to uncover the cutting-edge developments and real-world applications of quantum fractal alloys.